instantly boost customer satisfaction and engagement by connecting with your website visitors in real time with Zendesk Live Chat. Let's get Zendesk Live Chat up and running on your website in just a few simple steps once you've logged into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Admin Center, look for the Channels section, and click on Chat. Here, you'll find the option to add or set up Live Chat. Click on it to begin the installation process. The setup wizard will guide you through the initial configuration. You'll be able to customize the appearance of your chat widget to match your brand, choosing colors, positions, and even pre-chat forms. For installation, Zendesk provides a simple JavaScript code snippet. Copy this code and then paste it onto your website's HTML. Typically just before the closing less than body greater than tag. Most website builders and content management systems have an easy way to add custom code. If you're using a platform like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix, Zendesk often has dedicated plugins or integrations that simplify this even further. Just search for the Zendesk Live Chat app or extension within your platform's app store and follow the on-screen installation instructions. Once installed, your Zendesk Live Chat widget will appear on your website, ready to connect you with your customers. Agents can then log into the Zendesk Chat dashboard to manage incoming chats, provide immediate assistance, and resolve queries efficiently. That's it. You've now set up Zendesk Live Chat, empowering you to deliver exceptional, instant customer support that leads to happier, more engaged users. Start your free trial today.